we still don't have any red squirrels.
Good dance. Good dancer. Good dancer.
He's hiding in there. Oh, sure.
Come on over. Ah, that's right. Get that ear.
I've got more video of animals scratching.
I guess wallabies don't eat chickens. Nope, guess not.
Little wallaby.
That's nice. You're friendly. A grass eater.
Okay, you got snackies?
Hello, little angel. Hello, little angel. Angel. Angel.
What's
You're the
that
pretty
finger?
angel. You're the pretty angel.
Angel below me has wallaby